Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a viral Instagram reel. So first of all, you open up the Instagram app, then you click on the square with a plus in the middle, and you will see options at the bottom for posts, story, reel and live. So you just click on the reel, then you scroll down. As you can see, there are many effects you can use on your reel. Now, to create a viral Instagram reel, you just have to follow these simple steps. Now, creating a viral Instagram reel involves a blend of creativity, trend awareness, and strategic execution. Here's a breakdown of the key strategies. 1. Understanding the Instagram reel landscape. Trends are key. Pay close attention to trending audios, challenges, and visual styles. Instagram Explore's page is the best friend for this. Participating in trends increases your chance of being seen. So, algorithm awareness. Instagram prioritizes engaging content. This means high watch time, shares and saves, comments. Target audience. Know who you're trying to reach. Tailor your content to their interests. 2. Content creation essentials. Hook them easily. The first 3 seconds are crucial. Grab attention with a captivating visual or compelling question. High quality visuals. Use good lighting and shoot in high resolution. Clear, sharp videos perform better. Trending audio. Incorporate popular sounds and music. This significantly boosts discoverability. Add text and captions. Many people watch reels without sound, honestly. Text overlays and captions ensure your message is understood. Keep it concise. Short, punchy reels tend to perform best. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds. Be authentic and original. While trends are important, add your own unique twist. Authenticity resonates with viewers. Call to action. Encourage engagement by asking viewers to like, comment, share, or even just save your reel. Number 3, optimization and promotion. Hashtag. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are important. So you have to use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Combine popular and niche hashtags. Timing. Post when your audience is most active. Experiment to find the best time. Don't just post when people are not active. You have to find the best time. Consistency. Regular posting reels increases your visibility and builds a following. You can't just post today and choose not to post tomorrow. You need that consistency. Share your reels. Share your reels to your Instagram stories and also to other social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Building a community fosters loyalty. 4. Technical considerations. Optimal dimensions. Ensure your reels are in the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. That is 1080p. That's 1080 times 920 pixels. Remove watermarks. If you're editing out of Instagram, remove watermarks from other platforms like TikTok. Nobody wants them. Key takeaways. Visual content is a combination of creativity, trend awareness, and strategic promotion. Focus on creating engaging, high-quality reels that resonate with your target audience. Pay close attention to the Instagram reels trending audio. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of creating a viral Instagram reel. Thanks for watching.